Hello, let's have a look at the question. So we have been given UTT is equals to 25 UXX. Now let this be the first equation. Now let us suppose that U is equals to e to the power alpha x plus beta x, which is a solution when Ux is equals to alpha e to the power alpha x plus beta x. Then Uxx is equals to alpha square e to the power alpha x plus beta x, and Ut is equals to beta e to the power alpha x plus beta x, and Utt is equals to beta square e to the power alpha x plus beta x.